think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so bad. You really broke my heart. You open up my scars. I think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so bad. You really broke my heart. You open up my scars. I think I need a break.
You know how online meetings always fall apart because no one can actually hear anything? Echo, reverb, background noise. It's chaos. This tower in front of me is Insta360 Wave, a levitating AI speakerphone with an 8 mic array, 6-foot voice pickup, built-in recording, and even its own AI meeting assistant. I'm going to show you what it can really do and whether it actually fixes bad audio for meetings, for podcasts, and content creation. In this video, we'll cover number one, the design and what makes this thing look like it's floating. Number two, the mic and the speaker quality with some real-world test ideas. Number three, the AI tricks noise reduction, the reverb, and beamforming. Number four, the built-in recorder and Insta360's AI transcription tools. Number five, how it pairs with Insta360 link to webcam, the thing that is on top. And finally, who I think should actually buy this. If that sounds useful, hit the like so more people actually fix their turbo meeting audio. So first, the design, because Insta360 clearly wanted this to look nothing like a boring conference talk. Now, the Wave is a slim cylinder sitting on a separate base, giving it this floating look. Now, it comes in graphite black or Arctic white, and on the front, you've got a vertical LED strip that reacts while you talk and when you change modes. Underneath on the base, there is a 1.82-inch touchscreen where you can mute, adjust volume, switch pickup patterns, and even see live captions and recording status. Size-wise, it's around 64 millimeters in diameter and just under 25 centimeters tall, and weighing about 490 grams. So it feels solid, but still portable enough to throw in the included carry bag. Now, this looks way more like a high-end desk accessory than a corporate conference brick. The audio is where the Wave starts getting serious. Inside, there is a 3D A microphone mounts array sampling at 48 kHz for a hi-fi voice capture. It's designed to pick up voices clearly from up to 5 meters, 16.4 feet away. So a full meeting room, not just one person hunched over a laptop. Hey guys, so now I'm recording with my Insta360 Wave. So let's do some checking. So right now I am 1.5 meter away. Right now I am 3 meters away. Right now I am 5 meters away. Okay, that would be a test. So this is recording. Stop, saving the recording. Open the file. Let's hear it. Hey guys, so now I'm recording with my Insta360 Wave. So let's do some checking. So right now I am 1.5 meter away. Right now I am 3 meters away. Right now I am 5 meters away. I like it. Keep the distance. Okay, that would be a test. So this is recording. Okay. Now on the speaker side, it's rated at 5 watts with a max output around 91 decibels, covering the full 20 Hz and 20 kHz range. Translation, it's loud and clear enough that you don't need everyone to go silent just to hear the call. Even if YouTube compresses the audio, people will hear the difference compared to a laptop mic. Now the hardware is good, but the AI processing is what makes the Wave feel small. It does AI noise reduction that claims to remove over 300 types of background noises. Think keyboard clicks, HVAC hum, outside traffic, all of that. On top of that, you get AI AC, acoustic echo cancellation. So the far end doesn't hear their own voices coming back at them, right? No film score. AI AGC, automatic gain control. So quiet and loud, speakers are balanced out. You also get AI dereverberation, which cleans up that hollow meeting room echo and makes everyone sound clear, closer to the mic. Then there are 5 pickup patterns that you can switch between. So you have omnidirection AI that grabs everyone around the table. You have cardioid, supercardioid focuses more on the front, ideal if the Wave sits near your laptop. Figure 8, perfect for interviews across a table. Stereo for more natural room recordings or content creation setups like this one. This is where you can position Wave as more than a meeting box. It's actually useful for podcasts, roundtable discussions, or live stream because you can tailor the pickup pattern to the situation. The Wave isn't just a live speakerphone, it's also a standalone recorder with AI. Inside there's a 4 gigs plus 32 gigs of storage, so you can record meetings, interviews, or ideas directly on the device without needing extra hardware. Those recordings plug into Insta360 Insight, which is their AI meeting assistant, and it can do the following. It can transcribe your meetings, it can turn them into a searchable text, it can auto-highlight key points and action items, and it can help you create summaries you can share with your team. So instead of wait, what I did, we agreed on 45 minutes ago, you just search the transcript. Pretty cool. This is a big angle if your audience is into productivity and business. The Wave saves time after the meeting, not just during. In terms of connectivity, it's pretty flexible. You can connect by USB-C directly to your computer, which is included the USB dongle. And if you want a simple wireless setup or Bluetooth, you can pair it with any phone, tablets, or laptops without cables. It supports Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and iPad OS. So basically any modern device you are likely to use for calls. So on the softer side, you've got full duplex audio, so people can talk over each other naturally without the audio cutting in and out. You have a desktop controller app where you can pick patterns, tweak settings, and manage recordings more easily. But honestly, for most people, the touchscreen on the base plus the LED strip is enough. You can mute and change mode without touching your computer. That's pretty cool. Now, if you watch my video on the Insta360 Link to webcam, here's where things gets fun. The Wave is designed to integrate directly with Link 2. So you literally mount the webcam on top of the speakerphone for an all-in-one video and audio setup. How cool is that? Together they become like a full AI meeting rig. I really like it, and it does fit in my desk. Link 2 handles 4K video and AI tracking. Wave handles the AI audio, noise reduction and recording, and Insta360 system can use rival detection to automatically switch the webcam focus between speakers. So the camera follows whoever's talking. So how cool is that? For creators, that means the following. You have clean audio, auto framing for live stream. You have easy podcast interviews setups where the mic and camera move as the conversation does, and one unified ecosystem instead of juggling random webcams and mic brands. Pretty cool. If you already own a Link to Wave, it's basically the missing audio half of the puzzle. So go get one. So who should actually consider Insta360 Wave? In my opinion, I believe it's perfect for teams living on Zoom, Teams Meet, right? Who wants one device to handle a room. It's good for hybrid offices with lots of huddles rooms and ad hoc meetings, for podcaster and interviewers who want multiple pickup patterns without a full studio rig that can cost up to $10,000. Creators who already use Insta360 Link 2 and want a matching pro audio and AI tools. I like the fact that the 8 mic array with 16 feet pickup and hi-fi 48 kHz sampling, powerful AI noise reduction, echo cancellation, and de-reverb, multiple pickup patterns for meetings and content creation. It has a built-in recorder plus AI transcription via Insight, and seamless integration with Link 2 for an all-in-one meeting streaming setup. Even though it's definitely more expensive than a basic USB speakerphone, full value really shows if you use the AI tools and recordings, right? Not just a dumb speaker. And if you are a solo user who always works right at your desk, some of that 6-foot pickup and multi-pattern stuff might be overkill. Overall, the Insta360 Wave isn't trying to be just another conference mic, that's for sure. It's a smart audio hub that records, cleans, and understands your meeting. And when you pair it with Link 2, you get a super polished AI-driven setup for both business and content. If you want to check out the Insta360 Wave or the Wave Plus Link 2 bundle, I'll leave the links in the description. Drop your questions in the comments, hit the like if this helped you, and subscribe for more gear breakdowns and workflow tips. See you guys in my next tech review. As usual, thanks for watching. Peace out.